Hello everyone, welcome back to Ajayasthro Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. I'm Neena, and today, on the 11th of July, we have some crucial updates on the small cardamom and turmeric markets. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the small cardamom market. After a brief recovery in the previous 3 sessions, small cardamom prices have weakened slightly. This decline is mainly due to reduced buying activity at higher prices. Market sources indicate that slightly inferior quality material is fetching lower prices. However, there's a silver lining. The onset of the wedding season in North India is expected to bolster demand, providing support to prices. The average price per kilogram fell to 2,315 rupees from the previous session's 2,370 rupees. The highest price per kilogram also decreased, now at 2,906 rupees, down from 2,941 rupees in the previous session. Market arrivals were reported at 32,656 kilograms, a slight decrease compared to previous sessions. However, the offtake was reported at 32,011 kilograms, showing a high demand despite the price drop. Prices for specific grades have responded to the increase in bulk grade prices. For 7 mm grades, prices range from 2,130 rupees to 2,210 rupees per kilogram. Grades 7 to 8 mm are priced between 2,350 rupees and 2,460 rupees, and grades 8 mm and above are between 2,580 rupees and 2,780 rupees per kilogram. Despite the current weakness in prices, the upcoming wedding season in North India is likely to maintain strong demand, which will help support prices in the near term. Traders and market participants are optimistic that this seasonal demand will prevent any significant decline in cardamom prices. Now, let's move on to the turmeric market. Turmeric prices in the NCDEX markets have remained stable to firm following a sharp fall. For October contracts, prices remained stable, while December contracts saw an increase of 0.76%. In spot markets, turmeric prices were mixed. Some markets experienced falling prices, a few saw rises, and others remained stable. Traders report that both buyers and sellers are engaging in hand-to-mouth transactions. The current price decline may prompt stockists to liquidate their inventory, potentially putting additional pressure on spot market prices. Arrivals fell to 11,147 bags from the previous session's 13,174 bags, reflecting a decline in the erode markets. On the other hand, rains are expected to benefit turmeric growers in South India and Maharashtra. Farmers are optimistic about significant acreage growth this season. However, if the downward price trend continues, the anticipated increase in acreage might be less substantial. Here are the NCDEX spot prices. Nizamabad, polished, 16,495 rupees. Nizamabad, unpolished, 15,838 rupees. Sangli, Rajapur, 17,712 rupees. To sum it up, while the small cardamom market sees a slight decline, the upcoming wedding season is expected to support prices. For turmeric, the market remains mixed with a stable to firm trend in NCDEX prices, though spot markets show variability. Keep an eye on these trends, and stay tuned to Ajayasthro Guru for the latest updates and in-depth analysis. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Until next time, happy trading.